Yeah, what's going on, mama? Hey, it's your son Jonathan, you know. But mom, I really just wanted to take the time out to let you know how much I really do appreciate you ever being there for me, mama. I mean, you done done so much for me, I have no clue how I'ma ever pay you back. But hey, if you don't get nothing from this song, just know that I love you, mama.
Know that I love you so, this you should know.
Mama, I love you so much for everything you've ever done. I love you so much, and I don't tell you this enough, but I love you so
Even
much.
though you've been through so much, you always stay strong.
Mama, I love you so much. Just know I'm proud to be your son. I love you so much, and I don't tell you this enough. See, mama, growing up, I felt like I came last between me and my brothers. I felt like the outcast. But no, it ain't your fault, mama. No, it ain't you. Cause I know you tried your best and did everything you could do to build a happy home and make me feel loved. And no matter what, you never put no one above your sons. Remember Alabama Village? That's when we ain't have it. You working 2 jobs just to take care of your kids. And my daddy did you wrong. I guess that's why he ain't with them. But I can finally say I'm over that now. I forgive him. And I don't know how you did it, but you raised us on your own. I thank God for blessing us with a mama so strong. And everything you taught me, just know, mama, I listened. I'm grown now. And everything I learned stuck with me. You're always on my mind and in my prayers every day. And no matter the distance, I'm only a phone call away.
Hey,